Naniniwala si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na makakasabay ang Pilipinas sa mga bansa sa Southeast Asia pagdating sa innovation. Sa tulong yan ng inilunsad na National Innovation Agenda and Strategy Document 2023 to 2032. Si Kenneth Pasyente sa detalye.
Binigyang diin ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. na sentro ng sustainable development ng bansa ang pagtutok sa innovation o pagbabago. Sinabi ito ng Pangulo kasabay ng paglulunsad ng National Innovation Agenda and Strategy Document o NISD 2023 to 2032. Isang dokumentong magsisilbing blueprint upang pabilisin at palakasin ang innovation governance at efforts ng pamahalaan, gayon din ang pagpapabuti ng public at private partnerships.
This document is not a plan, not just a plan, but a commitment to making innovation an indispensable component of our nation's development agenda and a key driver in our vision to achieve a truly smart and innovative Philippines.
Nakaangkla sa Philippine Development Plan 2023 to 2028 ng pamahalaan ng NISD. Mayroon itong 10 innovation priority, kabilang na ang sektor ng edukasyon, kalusugan, food at agribusinesses, finance at blue economy.
Invest in our local enterprises, support our research institutions, embrace the corporate responsibility of financing innovation-driven programs and projects. These undertakings serve as catalysts to achieve our overall developmental agenda. Your involvement will be instrumental to this success. We also call on the academe to be at the forefront of innovation. We recognize your role as incubators of talent, of skills and ideas that will shape the future.
Umaasa ang punong ehekutibo na sa pamamagitan ng NISD, makakasabay ang Pilipinas sa mga bansa sa Southeast Asia pagdating sa innovation.
We are hopeful in the journey that we have taken as it positions us to become a stalwart of innovation in this dynamic and promising region.
Tiniyak naman ng NEDA na tututukan ng National Innovation Council ang pagpapatupad ng NISD 2023 to 2032.
Reaffirm our commitment to prioritizing and integrating the innovation agenda into the heart of our development plans.
Nabuo ang NISD sa tulong ng academe, ilang business sector, gayon din ng international experts. Kenneth Pasyente, para sa Morning Show ng Bayan, Rise and Shine, Pilipinas.